Hi, everybody. I think I'm supposed to stand over here-ish.
Cover me. That's okay. Yeah, we're
It's
fine.
oh, am I blocking you?
We'll find a window. I'll find a window.
Oh, you'll find a window.
Yeah.
Hi. So, we made it. Sunday. Yep. Minimum casualties. Go team. All right. Excellent. Because I asked at opening, I'm asking, who was this? Their first Cosplay America.
Oh,
That is wonderful. You are here from start to finish. I love it. That is great. Did you have fun? Yeah. Did you learn anything? Are you going to do something with what you learned? See, that's the tricky one right there. But yeah, I'm glad you all had a wonderful time, I hope. That's what I'm taking from the vibe of that. Excellent. How about everyone up here? Did you all have fun?
Yeah.
Did you learn anything?
I absolutely did.
Will you use anything you learned?
I'm gonna buy it like when I get
You see,
home.
it's not that different. It is the transition. So I'm going to ask, starting at the far end, if you could tell us just one fun thing that happened for you this weekend. See, you got notice on this one.
I like that. Yeah.
I don't think ours is on.
I need to think about it for a second. So start.
This is why I got anxious.
Hello. So one fun thing, I got to be part of a cosplay group this morning, which was super fun. We were sandbaggers, and we brought trophies from all the contests that we've won, and we pretended to be sandbaggers, and that was super fun. I love being in cosplay groups.
Can I give the? I'm at the start of the line, so I get to give the cheesy response before anyone else gets to take it. But I met some people and re-met some people this weekend that were just so amazing, and I look up to them, and they've inspired me, and I am feeling like I want to go home and craft. I'm sad that I have to wait until tomorrow to go home because I want to.
I feel like so gratified by the students and the attendees that came to my workshops and panels because they had such good questions and they were so focused and targeted. I was very grateful to have them. So I think that was probably my favorite part, just like the people who came to hang out with me in my portions, like being high quality. So thank you guys.
I think the weekend was a little bit of a fun roller coaster for me. I had almost nothing but highs, and the very few lows were not the con itself, but more like Murphy's Law trying to get me. If you were at my panel this morning, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But and some food, but I'm not sure which. So like I'm not blaming anybody or anything really there. So and lack of sleep, but that's again mostly from partying and having fun with you guys. So yeah, it's been a good weekend for me. Yeah, it felt like a week though.
I feel very honored to be amongst all of these wonderfully talented people, but also to be able to contribute to what you guys are here for in learning, in growing your skills. I think the most fun panel I've done this weekend was I really enjoyed doing the WIGS 911 with Con. Watching people watch the magic of just, untangling a wig. I mean, it was a great time. But, it's still just one of those things that just reminds you, like, everyone here is coming from different skill sets and levels, and it's just fun to be able to still, like, contribute to all of you and what you do, and I can't wait to see what you make.
So I have two things. I got to do a whole series this weekend and had the same people come back and learn more and learn more and learn more and get to see them, actually build on the skills that they started with and then end with was really super cool. And then someone asked me to sign the piece that they made. So that was, I was like, meh. And then the other one was getting to cosplay with Yaya and make her Macross Frontier dreams come true.
Oh my gosh. So this convention, I feel like it's been talked about to me for a long time, and it's sort of, my friends have gone, and I technically understood how it was going to be, but so coming here and just spending 3 days with all of you, it's like I think I just really needed a convention and an experience like this. Really, really needed it myself. And then I came in and, talked about, like, I tried to think about how I could contribute to this event and what type of knowledge I could impart. And for a while we were, thinking, should I do workshops? Should I teach, like, techniques? And I thought that maybe I could contribute in the sense of, like, mentoring and, giving you some information that I've learned over the many years that I've been doing this. So, like, more panels and lectures and advice in that sense. I really hope that has been helpful and that was the right way to go and that you guys got something out of my events. So I would love to come back, just saying, love to do more. So yeah, and of course it's so lovely to see all of my friends up here and get to spend the weekend with them, and also to meet all of you and re-meet some of you, and yeah, let's do it again next year.
This is kind of what I say every year, but a lot of you are new, so maybe you'll hear it for the first time. The thing that always gets me really motivated, excited, is seeing all of you put yourself out there. It's not an easy thing to do, to try something you never tried before, and to do it out in public with a bunch of strangers, but I feel like everyone kind of bonds that way. You kind of make some friends, you learn new things, so like that inspires me. It makes me want to go home and craft as well, so I get really excited. My favorite thing is always seeing all of you just put yourself out there and learn new crafts and skills, so to y'all.
So my favorite thing about Cosplay America always is there are always 12 very courageous individuals who choose to lock themselves in a room with me for 3 days, and they are always so awesome. So I want to say a huge thank you to my tooling troupe this weekend. Thank you guys. Woo! I also really, really loved our Danmei pajama party.
Yay!
So thank you guys for a wonderful Cosplay America weekend again. Thank you.
I had such a fun weekend, as I do every time that I come to the show. It's just so much fun to get to see folks, kind of as others were saying, experience a new craft for the first time, and for you to trust us with your very delicate nerves and stress to learn a new thing. So folks who joined me for casting and for embossing, I hope you had as much fun as I did teaching the workshops, because it was truly, truly a blast. I also finally got to go to some of the panels of my wonderfully, like, some of the most talented people in the world, frankly, are up here, and getting to get inspired by going to Yaya's panel and the panel by Melinda and one by December a little bit ago. It was just so really, really great and inspiring to get to do stuff. I also really love the gala, and those of you who got to sing La Poisson Steve to Goldfish, the Danmei Goldfish character and Morimoto-san's stuffed fish, it was hysterical and amazing. So it was definitely a weekend highlight. It was great. This weekend, again, I had an absolute blast. This convention just like restores parts of me that I feel like, you sort of lose throughout the year. Just that like sense of whimsy and fun and the art of creation. Aside from, I learned a lot about like the fauna in Florida this weekend. That was really interesting. There's black panthers there. I didn't know that. I was like, okay, that's terrifying. But aside from that, I also got to do something I don't normally do at a lot of cons, which is collaborate with, again, some of the most amazing people that you'll ever meet, the most amazing builders that are not only talented at what they do, but they're incredibly gracious with their willing to share their knowledge and just make the whole environment fun. So again, I got to do that panel with Melinda earlier, Wake 911, which was really fun. And I got to do the smocking workshop with Maggie, who wrote the book on smocking for cosplay and crafting, and so it was really, really great to do that. And then Mandy, we pulled her into a couple of panels this weekend too. We did one on international competitions, and then, us, Avera, Mandy, who else did I pull into that panel? I don't know. Anyone that showed up that was like, contributes to the community. We had a real good heart-to-heart about the cosplay contest community, and so it was really great to just like get together, have some community time, and make magic.
Can I just say one last thing, that Cosplay America is really special, but for this convention to continue, we got to spread the word, okay? So I impart to all of you is your job and everyone's job up here too. Spread the word about this con. Tell your friends. Grab them. Come with them next year, okay? So.
Yeah, it's actually pretty crazy that we've done this in person 10 times now. Like, we've been across what, like 2 or 3 venues? We've done it in September, October, June, July. So we've jumped around a bit. We picked the hot one just for you. We thought you'd all appreciate that the most. But, yo, it's been great. Like I said, 10 years. How many people here have the little 10-year sticker on their badge? Yeah? Who wants it? We still have them out there. They'll also sell you shirts and all kinds of other pretty stuff if you like the blue. Me, I'm wearing I bought this at home. But they have much better shirts than I do, so yeah, check it out. That's great. Other than that, so yeah, I'm glad everyone up here had a good time. Glad everyone out here had a good time. Because a lot of you are new, I have to explain one of our traditions. At the end of closing ceremonies every year, we ask everyone in the room to come up here in the front of it for a massive, everyone who's still here at the end of Sunday, super selfie, which gets progressively more extreme with time. But, so we're gonna ask everyone, please keep your props safe. Don't feel like your things are endangered, but come up here, we have a little bit of a gap in place. I believe in our ability to not knock things over, so please continue to not knock things over. And we will try to get everyone in one shot. It'll be fun.
No, you're fine. I can
We will rely on someone else to tell us if we're too far, so we'll figure it out.
I think we're gonna have to. Because I'm
It is. It's gonna be our biggest selfie ever.
Is someone gonna like?
If we could try to keep people roughly in this space, but I will defer to the person with the camera, proving that we are liars when we call this a selfie, to tell us if we fit or not.
Just reach your hand forward. Just pretend. Yeah.
How far over can we go this way? Are we too far already?
Some of y'all can get up here.
All right, everyone inside this way, to the best of our ability. We have room at the front if you're not afraid. You might even be able to hide behind a chair. I don't know. Okay, are we fitting? All right, I will join you. Okay, everyone, look forward and give your serious happy smile that you're having a great time. All right. Honest exhaustion. Woo!